Freunde, I just came back from Dallas from the Fluid Art experience. It was a great event. As always, I love these. I love our community. Thanks for coming, everybody. I hope you learned a great deal and made some new friends. It's over for this year. There's gonna be another one next year. And if you missed out, there is a chance to take classes from me at Deer Lake, Washington, end of May, May 30th through that following weekend. The link is in the description if you're interested. It's an all-inclusive workshop, means a small group of 15 people max. You get accommodation in a cabin right at the lake. Anything you need will be there. And you get to learn all of this from the very beginning to the more advanced stuff like this. So this is what we're going to do today. It is, how am I going to call this? I have no idea. Not everything needs a name, to be honest. I'm doing an abstract painting with the bloom technique. Bloom technique? I did an abstract painting with the bloom technique. Have fun with that. If you have any questions, comment below. Hopefully I'll see you at the Lakeside retreats. Here you go. One thing I need to share that I realized while watching this back is the composition right now, as so many times, looks great, well balanced, right sizes. I really need to calculate the expansion of my composition better. Even though I really like the outcome, I think if I even start smaller, so I will end up with way more negative space, might make this more interesting next time. This is one recipe and you can do so many things with it. You can blow, you can swipe, you can have parts without cells, you can change the size of your cells. This idea of fluid art has so much potential. I keep saying it. I really do not have the desire to do anything else but this, because you can do so much with it. Unfortunately, my wet flyover was not the best. There's nothing to see. So we're going straight to the dried results. I will show my patrons what I do once my painting is dry. Sometimes I don't want to call it embellishments. I want to call it cleanup. And all I need is these. So if you're a patron, watch out for the video. You will see it as a channel member on YouTube as well, but also I would like to suggest that you hop over to the patrons, because I found out that YouTube takes a big chunk of what you pay for it. If you want more of your money go to me, Patreon would be the place. That's it. Let's check this out. There's the splatters that I love so much. I'm a big fan of the different quality of cells. Obviously with the splatter blow, the cells look way different than when you scoop and drag your cells out. Just a swipe looks completely different, especially when you swiped early on. The cells just get the chance to grow way bigger. That is it from me. Remember to check out the Lakeside retreat. The link is in the description. Let me know what you think about this piece, and also have a good week. See you Monday for life. Bye bye.